Hello everyone, this is Peggy. Today we're taking you to top 5 Taiwan's MRT station with unique public art. Taipei MRT is something essential for people living in Taipei. And besides the unique public art in some stations, each line has its own music to play when the train approaches the platform. Now let's start with Station 1, Beitou. Come on. Number 5, Beitou Station of the Beitou branch. There are many different kinds of theme trains all around the world, and what makes Taipei MRT unique is that it combines the local scene. Beitou produces sulfur due to its location near the mountains and has developed the hot spring culture since Japanese colonial period. The train in Beitou features the unique hot spring culture, impressing visitors and travelers. Now the theme train is here, let's go check it out. The first carriage is about history. Carriage 1399 is about the past of Beitou. You can find 2 monitors inside the train playing the cultural history, and the red and orange tone inside the train gives a nostalgia feeling. The next carriage is 2399, which is the well-known hot spring train. Look, both the seats and the walls are all wooden colored, and it also combined the hot spring top elements. Inside the train, there's a monitor showing hot spring and local food in Beitou. This makes me want to take MRT to a hot spring resort. Last carriage, 3399, is called Me and the Thermal Valley, which represent the natural environment of Beitou. Inside the carriage, there is full-width design of the beauty of Beitou, informing visitors Beitou's uniqueness. Inside the train, there is a monitor featuring the environment of Beitou, for example, the waterfall or the hot spring. Different from the bustling city life, Beitou shows you the nature beauty of Taipei. Coming to Beitou, not only can you enjoy the hot spring, but a really cool MRT experience. Now let's go explore more public art.